In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPad not charging or turning on. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your iPad is dead, it's almost always due to a logic crash where the iPad is actually on, but the screen's frozen black, or a power delivery failure. So most iPads appear dead because, if you have a crash in the background. So a normal power button won't fix this. So if you have an iPad without a home button, what you want to do is press and quickly release the volume up button, which is the one closest to the top button, then press and quickly release the volume down button, then press and hold the top power button and keep holding it for at least 20 to 30 seconds, and don't let go until you see the Apple logo. So wait at least 30 seconds. For iPads with a home button, so the older ones, hold both the home and top buttons at the same time until the logo appears. Now, if the battery is deep discharged, the iPad might not show the charging icon for a long time. So plug the iPad directly into a wall outlet using at least a 20-watt USB-C adapter, and do not use anything like a laptop port or a low power iPhone cube brick, as it won't provide enough power for the iPad in its deep state. And whenever you start charging it, let it sit for an hour. Don't do anything for an hour, and then after 1 hour, try the force restart again, and it should work. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.